It's open house weekend here at TLC, and this is TLC Live. I'm Angela Buckaloo at TLC Garden Centers, and it is open house weekend. Finally, you know it's time for spring. You know it's time for planting when it's open house weekend here at TLC. We're going to talk about it today with our TLC experts, Brandy over here. Hello, Brandy. Aren't you excited?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so excited. And Daryl, also very excited. Daryl, we'll talk to you in a second.
Okay.
We'll get to you in a second. Okay. All right. Bye-bye. He's going to be over there. We're going to talk with Brandy first, though. Hey, Brandy.
Hey.
Hey, we got our spring on.
Ready, get it going.
Time to go. Okay, let's talk about this weekend and all the seminars we're going to have going on here. What will they touch on?
So this weekend is, of course, our spring kickoff. We're going to start out with tomatoes and peppers. We've got a tree seminar. We've got a Color Your World that's going to talk about annuals and perennials. We've got a hands-on succulent class. We've got some landscape design going on, and we also have a greenhouse tour.
Okay, if you have any questions about your garden, can you bring pictures and show all the experts out here? They'll let you know.
Definitely. Every day you can bring pictures out, and we can help you.
Okay, let's talk about the pots. Okay, we got pots over here. So many pots, so many colors, so many kinds. Whatever you need, you'll find it here.
Definitely. This is the best time of year to pick out your pottery because all of our trucks just came in. And so our best selection is right now. A lot of times we have people who wait until May or June, and then when they get here and they're disappointed because we don't have as many. So our best product is always here in January, February, and March.
And a good time to actually look at the pots you have out on your back patio or on your front patio now. Make sure they're not cracked or such.
Right, yeah, this is a good time to start replacing those because a lot of people treat it like furniture, and so it's a big investment for them. So now is your time to get your best selection and replace the ones you want to replace.
And I like the ones you have here. Look at the one you have is so beautiful. It has so many colors in it. And this one, you have a lot of really kind of funny ones too. I love the fish. I love the shells.
Yeah, this year we expanded our big animal collection because of all the succulents and everything. We've got big fish, we've got small fish, we've got unicorns, we've got mermaids, we've got everything to choose from.
All right, you'll find it here.
Yes, we definitely have something for you.
No doubt spring is near when we start talking about planting vegetables.
Yeah, that's one of our biggest crops that we do. And everybody asks, why do you start it so early? But you've got to do your cold crops early, so your broccoli and your cabbage and stuff, because once we get into May, they're not going to produce.
Okay.
So we have a kind of a transition with vegetables, a cold crop season and a warm crop season, and we're getting ready to kick off the warm crop season.
Okay, so you need to start thinking about it now for sure.
Definitely, yeah. You should already getting your beds prepared and that kind of stuff, and then getting your cold crop stuff in and your strawberries in. A lot of people want to wait to plant strawberries in June, and you're already too late because their blooming season is June.
And it's such a satisfaction of growing your own vegetables, seeing them come out of the ground.
It is. It's a, it can be a lot of work, but it's a good thing to get kids involved and start teaching the younger group, how to start producing and extend our lives out.
Yeah, no, and what's fun is that when the kids see the vegetables and they actually pick them out of the ground, you'll have a better shot at them actually eating the vegetables that they pick from the ground.
When they put the effort into it and they see what it actually does, they usually like it more.
So it's March. What specifically do we need to get into the ground right now?
So right now is a good time for your cool season crops. So that's going to be your broccoli, your cauliflower, your cabbage, any of your leafy things, lettuce, kale, and that kind of things, your onions, and your potatoes.
Okay, and how much sun do these plants need? How much water? How much attention?
So all your vegetables are going to have at least 4 to 6 hours of sun. Once we get into the warmer season, you're going to want to protect them a little bit from that hot west sun.
Okay.
And your watering is going to be equivalent to about an inch of rain a week. Check your sprinkler systems, your drip hose, and that kind of thing to see how much water it's actually putting out, so you'll know what you're actually watering.
Okay. Thank you, Brandy.
Thanks.
While you're out taking advantage of open house weekend, also get out here and take a look at the weeping cherry bushes. Beautiful.
They are beautiful right now, yes. This is one of my favorites for spring. These will start blooming really early in spring, so usually sometime maybe early March. These have started a little bit early because of our nice weather, but these are great for early spring color.
Okay, where do you need to put them?
In a shadier spot in the yard, so usually morning sun is great, afternoon shade is even better.
Do they get taller?
Not really, because they're weeping form like this. You might get another 1 or 2 feet from there, but most of the growth is going to be downward.
Okay,
Yeah.
Beautiful. See, I told you we'd be back talking with Daryl. Here we are we talked with Brandy earlier.
Yes.
Now it's time to talk to you, Daryl.
Yeah. All right, let's move on.
Let's do it. Now this flower is just a peach, hon.
That is perfect, Angela. Of course you came up with that. No, this is another one of my favorites for sure for spring. This is an ornamental peach tree. It's called the bonfire patio peach.
Oh, wow.
For good reason. It's got loads of blooms, and it's going to be a nice patio size, only about 6 feet tall. So you can use it in a flower bed or even in a container if you'd like.
And it makes peaches?
It does, but they're not edible, just real small peaches. But then even better, it's got a really nice purple foliage after that. So in the spring and summer, you've got nice purple leaves to look at.
Oh, very pretty. Thank you. You might say these roses are topical and timely. They are Lenten roses.
Yes, yeah, the Lenten rose or hellebores are one of our favorites out here for spring.
What do they look like?
This right here.
Well,
yeah.
I know, but what do the roses look like?
Well, these are the flowers, yes. The Lenten rose is the common name, but yeah, these are the blooms on these. You get white or green or the pink or mauve or purple. There's even some double flowers. So these are really showstoppers in the yard.
They really are. They're beautiful. I just
Yes.
love them. All right. Well, I see something purple over there.
Yes, let's walk that away.
Oh, yes, it's phlox.
It is. This is a really nice hybrid between a creeping phlox and an upright phlox, but it's still evergreen, and you still get all these wonderful blooms in spring.
Where should you plant it?
These can take full sun or partial sun, so they need at least 5 or 6 hours though to really look their best.
And watering.
Normal watering, I say twice a week or so, helping them to get established.
Okay. And you need to put this in the ground now?
It's a great time to put them in.
All right. And you're teaching a seminar this weekend?
I am. I'm doing a seminar on trees on Saturday afternoon, but we also have a full day of seminars on Saturday.
Absolutely. You and Brandy both.
Yes, both of us.
That's right. For a full list of all the seminars here for the big open house here at TLC, go to tlcgarden.com, and we'll see you here in the greenhouse.